Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone Wi-Fi setting friends. In this video friends I will show you guys your Wi-Fi setting, and in this video guys I will also tell you guys how can you remove your Wi-Fi network guys, which network guys you have paid and guys connect, and guys you want to remove this network. So friends, how can you remove it? In this video friends I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so then first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So then first of all open your phone setting to remove your Wi-Fi network. Then guys scroll it, and guys you can see guys your Wi-Fi setting, guys tap here, and guys you can see your Wi-Fi setting. So if you want to on and off guys, you can off from here, and guys you want to scan your Wi-Fi and network you want to connect in your phone, so guys you can scan from here. And guys you want to add any network and Wi-Fi network, so guys you can add from here in your Tecno phone. So if you want to remove guys Wi-Fi network, so I have guys paid this Wi-Fi and guys I want to remove. So press on Wi-Fi network and guys click on forget option to remove this. So this Wi-Fi network will remove, and guys you cannot use guys this Wi-Fi network guys you want to use, so you will have to pay again. So I hope friends you have understood how to remove Wi-Fi network in a Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends, we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.